this video, let's talk about what wheel spacers are best for your Maserati. Let's go! Maserati wheel spacers are available in two types, one with half century and one without half century. Wheel spacers with half century are best suited for your Maserati GT. Half century Maserati wheel spacers can eliminate the possibility of shaking caused by a wheel position that is not centered with the brake rotor. Professional wheel spacers manufacturer and auto parts reviewers prefer half century Maserati wheel spacers over lug century wheel spacers. If the Maserati GT aftermarket wheels have a center hole diameter larger than the diameter of the hub assembly neck, you will need to fit them with half-century rings or wheel adapters. Aftermarket wheels are usually designed with a larger center hole to fit as many cars as possible. Except for custom aftermarket wheels, which do not affect the fitment. Installing the half-century wheel spacers can provide high stability. Bonus wheel spacers have a multi-stage half-century design. This design allows the spacers to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage half-century design of Bonus makes the installation more fitting and safer. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day!